Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of roasted peanuts. These can be unsalted or lightly salted. Next, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, ready. Finally, a small pinch of salt will enhance the flavor, but this is optional and can be adjusted to your taste preferences. Let's get started. Now, let's get blending. Pour your roasted peanuts into a sturdy food processor. Begin processing them, and you'll notice the texture changing over 3 to 5 minutes. Initially, they'll turn into a coarse meal, then a thick paste. Be patient, as the natural oils will release, transforming the mixture into a creamy butter. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally to ensure even blending. To achieve your perfect peanut butter, you might want to adjust the consistency. If it's too thick, slowly drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil while the processor is running until it reaches your desired creaminess. This is also the ideal time to add any sweeteners, such as a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Finally, taste your creation and adjust the salt or sweetness to your liking for a truly personalized spread. Once your homemade peanut butter is perfect, transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh and delicious in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for all your snacking needs. Enjoy it on toast, with fruit, or straight from the spoon. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check out the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is just as important as enjoying tasty treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.